Delicious. Tasty. Spicy.
What better way for office team building and bonding than a friendly competition that includes lunch? Dozens of employees at playgroundequipment.com participated in our most recent chili and soup cook-off as chefs, judges, or both. 16 crockpots and pans lined up in our company kitchen. There was as much variety as there were spices and types of chilies and soups. Traditional beef, all veggie, all chicken, all beans, like the creature from the Black Lagoon, and avgolemano, a Greek lemon and chicken soup. Some of the soup and chili names are as creative as the ingredients.
Gone in 60 seconds. I like that name.
Meet, greet, compete, and eat. Really a simple way to bring any workplace together. Again, did we say lunch is served? Employees pick their top 3 choices by putting a bean into corresponding flower pots.
When you want to vote, you're going to pick 3 beans. Here's all your cups, and you can put them all in the same. You can distribute it however you would like.
This is the potato soup. Chicken. I think it's like ham and potatoes in it. It's really good. This is the bean soup. Really good. It's got some cilantro, and then just the regular old chili over there. Got it with some cornbread here, some kidney beans, some tomatoes. It's really good. All of them are really good. Can't decide which is the best.
Some serious judging and eating going on here.
As a member of the voting in the chili cook-off, it is my sworn duty.
Noodles and chili? Some say no way. But for some in the Midwest,
It should have noodles. Noodles all the way.
It tastes really good. I don't know, but it's got a lot of meat and some peppers and some beans and some goodness.
once judging and eating are finished, it's time for a bean count.
With a total vote of 31 votes.
April's your big winner with chicken pozole verde.
I mean, it's exciting. I like to cook for the company, so it's kind of cool that everybody likes my food. That bad boy is going on my desk. Bragging rights for a whole year.
Events like this are a great way to build and feed a team. Give awards, even small ones. Schedule occasional events. A break from office routine can go a long way, but have some antacids handy, just in case.
Delicious.